Now to San Luis Obispo, where defense attorneys tried again today to poke holes in the original police investigation when Kristen Smart disappeared back in 1996. News Channel 3 reporter Dave Alley joins us now live from SLO with details. Dave?
Now, Beth, week 2 of the Paul Flores preliminary hearing began today, focusing on other men that the defense believes could be potential suspects in the case, suspects as well as leads that they say were never properly followed through by law enforcement during their many years of investigating this case. Now, when the questioning finally did begin late this morning, Paul Flores defense attorney Robert Sanger resumed cross-examination of Clint Cole. That's the San Luis Obispo County Sheriff's detective that first took the stand last week. Sanger zeroing in on several interviews conducted by other detectives that worked on the case long before Cole took over in 2017. Now, those interviews included those with roommates and friends of Kristen Smart. Among those who may have been responsible for her disappearance, Sanger indicated a person that's never been identified, who's simply known as Yanish. That's a person that Smart reported was stalking her at one point. Now, he also mentioned, Sanger did, a student named Sean reportedly lit her shoes on fire 3 months prior to her disappearance. Another potential suspect Sanger asked Cole about was a student named Ted Munley. Munley slept in Smart's dorm room the night she disappeared with a friend of Smart's roommate, Crystal Calvin. Now, later in the afternoon, Sanger indicated Smart may have worked for a San Luis Obispo-based adult entertainment business as an escort. Now, that business was owned by a man named Trent Buckle, who was later convicted of killing a roommate in San Diego County. That man was a Cal Poly student at the time of Smart's disappearance. And like he did last week, Sanger also bringing up the possibility that convicted killer Scott Peterson may also be a potential suspect. Cole confirming the Cal Poly alum was a student at the university at the time she disappeared. The detective, though, later saying through numerous interviews and searches throughout the county, investigators have never been able to link Peterson to Smart at any point in time. Cole spent more than 4 hours today on the witness stand and in fact was the only person on the stand to take questions by both sides. It's unclear whether or not he will return for another round of testimony tomorrow. Day 6 of the preliminary hearing is all set to begin here at San Luis Obispo County Superior Court at 9 a.m. Reporting live in San Luis Obispo, Dave Alley, News Channel 3.